For the first hairstyle, grab all your hair from the front section and do a ponytail in a halfway like this, and pull your hair to make it look more voluminous, and just pin it on the both side with some bobby pins. And our first hairstyle is ready. It's very quick and very easy. For the second hairstyle, take some chunks of hair from the front section again and twist it all to the back side, and then take another section from the side of the front section, first section, and then continue it till you reach your ear, and then secure it with some bobby pins. Now do the same on the other side as well. And secure it with some bobby pins. And now our second hairstyle is also ready. I'm losing some hair on my face to make it look more beautiful and ready for a selfie. For the third hairstyle, I'm taking 3 strands of hair from the front section and doing a regular braid. And while doing the braid, I'm gradually going to add some hair from the both side and continue it till I reach my ear. And then secure it with some bobby pins. Now this kind of hairstyle can be messy, losing the hair a little bit. This kind of hairstyle can be messy, but still it's going to look very good on your selfie. So you guys can try it. Now for my last hairstyle, I'm back combing my hair. If you don't know how to back comb your hair, it's very easy. Just reverse comb your hair like this. Do it like 8 to 10 times like this. It's going to add instant volume to your hair. Now I'm grabbing all the hair I have back combed, taking it to the back side. Now twist it and push it upward like this and secure it with some bobby pins. This hairstyle is really good. It's going to look good in any kind of photography. You can try this kind of hairstyle. And I'm also going to back comb my hair ends to make them more voluminous. You can see the difference. And that's my final look. Ready for selfie. So that was my 4 very easy and quick hairstyle especially for selfies, to look good on your selfie.